Setting up purchase orders. Setting up purchase orders is needed so that e-commerce users can utilize the credit that they have established through a purchase order to access courses in the Learn Center. To set up a purchase order, you first need to be logged in as an administrator. You'll go to the control panel, and then you'll follow the e-commerce path that goes from e-commerce to purchase orders. You'll click the Add Purchase Order button, and then we're going to fill out this screen here based on the details of a purchase order from the customer. Note the red asterisk right here and right here. Those are mandatory fields that have to be filled out. Ideally, the PO number will match the purchase order number from the client, and we'll use the Department of Warehouse because the warehouse is going to be receiving some OSHA training. And in this description, you'll want to provide a description of what was purchased and the contact information for the individual who requested the PO. For example, OSHA training for ABC Company. The contact is marywhite@abc.org. You'll want to make sure the status button is set to active. The dollar amount will obviously match the purchase order. In this case, it's $5,000. And if there is a start and end date provided on the purchase order, then we'll also want to make sure that we include those here. This last checkbox here is for whether or not purchases require approval. An example of that would be maybe there would be a voucher system in place. But in this case, we're not going to have this box checked. We're going to say that purchases do not require approval, and that's the last thing that we need to fill out for this form. We can click Save, and then we'll get a confirmation message here that says the purchase order has been saved successfully. And now your purchase order is complete.